Hello students, hope you all are fine and doing well at your home and studying well also with the help of our video lessons. So we have completed our second chapter. Today we are going to start our third chapter, that is fraction. So welcome in this class. I think we have learned this fraction, this point fraction in our previous class. So let's recapture this. Suppose this is a rectangle. This rectangle called as whole. And when I'm going to divide it into four parts, first, second, third and fourth, that are called parts. And now I'm going to shed the first part. I'm going to shed the first part. So, what will be the fraction equals to? The total part will be denominator, that is below the line, and the shaded part will be above the line, that is numerator. It means fraction is a number. It represents A upon B, where B is not equals to 0. Here A is called numerator and B is called denominator. Some examples. Suppose you have got the marks in monthly test 7 and the total marks of this test is 20. That is 7 out of 20. This is a fraction. Let's see the types of fraction. Here types of fraction. First is like fraction. What is like fraction? If two or more than two fractions, their denominators are same. For example, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. Here all the denominators are same. These are called like fraction. Second is unlike fraction. If two or more fractions have their denominators different, they are called unlike fraction. For example, 1 upon 6, 7 upon 8, 5 upon 3. All the denominators are different. These are called unlike fraction. Now third is unit fraction. When the numerator of the fraction is equals to 1, it is called unit fraction. 1 upon 5, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2. All the numerators are 1. These are called unit fraction. Now, fourth is proper fraction. Proper fraction, when numerator is smaller than denominator, these fractions are called proper fraction. For example, 4 upon 5, 6 upon 7, 3 upon 5, 1 upon 2. Here all the numerators are smaller than the denominators. So these are called proper fraction. Now improper fraction. This is just opposite the proper fraction. It means if numerator are greater than denominator, these are called improper fraction. For example, 5 upon 4, 3 upon 2, 7 upon 3. These are called improper fraction. The next one is mixed fraction. Combination of whole number and a fraction is called mixed fraction. For example, 5, 1 upon 2, 3, 2 upon 3, 1, 7 upon 5. These are called mixed fraction. We can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, and we can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now, seventh one is decimal fraction. Decimal fractions, in this kind of fraction, the denominators are 10 or more than 10. For example, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 100, 7 upon 1000. These are called decimal fraction. Let's do our exercises. Only three exercises are there, 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. So let's do our first exercise, 3.1. Here is exercise 3.1. I'll give you question number 1A and question number 2. Rest of all exercise you can see in the notes and homework also. This is question number first A from 3.1. So 3 upon 5 of means multiplication. Write here 3 upon 5 into 5. We can write here upon 1. Every number has the denominator hidden 1. Cancel 5 by 5. So the answer is 3. Now next question, that is word problem. Rama has arranged roses, 15 roses in a flower vase, and the fraction of red roses is 3 upon 5. So the question is, what is the total number of red roses? So roses are 15 and red roses are 3 upon 5. So number of red roses equals to 3 upon 5 of 15. The fraction 3 upon 5 of total number of roses, that is 15. Now 3 upon 5 into 15. 5 threes are 15. Here 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. So answer is red roses equals to 9. Let's do our next exercise, that is 3.2. This is exercise 3.2, and only for the explanation I'll give you one question from each. So let's do 3.2. Here is exercise 3.2 and 4 questions are there. 4 types of questions are there. First one is find the sum. Second question is subtract. Third is find product. And fourth is divide. So first one, I have taken the question whose denominators are same and whose denominators are different. I'll give you in the notes, because these are the first question A. All part A I have taken from your exercise. So first, this is in mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction. So this number will be multiplied by this number. 5 2s are 10 and numerator will be added. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 equals to 13 upon 5 plus 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 1 6 upon 5. Because the denominators are same, write the denominator here, and 13 plus 6, that is 19 upon 5. I am going to convert it into mixed fraction. 5 3s are 15 and 4. This is the answer. Now question number 2, subtract. I need to convert it into improper fraction. 7 4s are 28. 28 and 3 31 upon 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 and 4 18 upon 7 is equal to, because the denominators are same, 7 13 upon 7 is answer. answer. Now, question number third A is find the product 4 upon 8 into 18. 4 2s are 8. 18 upon 2. 9 2s are 18. 9 is answer. Now next one is division. Multiplication. So the next fraction will be reciprocal. So 45 into 9 upon 5. Now cancel this. That is 9 equals to 9 into 9, 81 answer. Nine into 9, 81 answer. Let's do our next exercise, that is 3.3. Here is exercise 3.3. All questions are word problem. Total 6 questions are there. And I am giving you question number 3 and question number 6. So let's do 3.3. Here the third word problem is from exercise 3.3. Raju has given 24 problems as homework and he has done 3 upon 4 of 24, the correct answer, and rest of all are incorrect answer, or he didn't solve the rest of all answers. So what is the incorrect answer, or what is the question, what are the number of question he didn't complete? So solution, total problems Raju has given, that is 24, and fraction of correct answer. So number of correct answer, first we will find out the number of correct answer, and that number will be subtracted from 24. We will get the answer, that is incorrect answer, or the question he didn't solve. Number of correct answer equals to 3 upon 4 of 24. 3 upon 4 into 24. 6 4s are 24. 3 into 6 equals to 18. 18 are correct answer. Now incorrect answer, or unsolved question is equals to total number of question is 24 minus correct answer 6. This is the answer. 6 question Raju didn't solve, or incorrect answer, number of incorrect answer is 6. Let's do the next question, question number 6. From 3.3, question number 3 and question number 6, I am giving you one more question, that is question number 4. So question number 4 is measurement of cable is 11 1 upon 5. I am going to convert it into improper fraction. 11 5s are 55 and 1 56 upon 5. And each pieces, the cable is cut into so many parts. So each piece's measurement is 1 2 upon 5. So 5 1s are 5 and 2. 7 upon 5 meter. And the question is, how many numbers of small cable pieces? So to find the answer, to get the proper answer, we need to divide 56 upon 5 by 7 upon 5. So to get the number of pieces equals to 56 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 5. 56 upon 5. Going to convert this into multiplication. So the next number will be reciprocal. Cancel this 5. 56 upon 7. 7 8s are 8 small pieces of cable. That is your answer. Now next question is question number 6. This is our last question from 3.3. Total quantity of sweets are given 15 1 upon 2. So 15 2s are 30 and 131 upon 2 kg. Now number of members are given 6. So question is how much sweets will get by each members. So to get the number of sweets by each member, is 31 upon 2 divided by 6, or 31 upon 2 multiply by, this will be reciprocal, so 1 upon 6. 31 ones are 31 and 6 twos are 12. That is your answer. Now mixed fraction is 2, 12. Here is 7 kg sweets get by each member. Here we have completed our 3rd chapter. In our next video we will meet with our 4th chapter. Till then, goodbye and take care.